Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I just wanted to talk about a topic that I usually feel affects me directly. Sometimes I see that many other people are also affected by that, and that is being too hard on yourself. Like sometimes I'm too hard on myself. When I see other people's success, I say, okay, that person is 22, 21 years old and they have like achieved a lot of things that I haven't achieved being 32 years old by now. I'm usually critical about myself, but sometimes it does feel that I'm too critical and just being too hard on myself. I don't know if you felt like that as well, looking at other people's success, seeing the highlights of their lives, because we know for sure that people only share their highlights, what they think should be shared with the whole world, just their highlight reels on social media like Facebook and Instagram, even YouTube as well. For example, in the financial space, not many people share how much money they've lost. They only share their highlights saying that they achieved 100x, 1000x with a certain crypto, a certain coin. So just wanted to talk about this with you guys, saying that if you're feeling down and thinking that you haven't achieved something, do not compare yourself with others. I'm not saying that you should not work hard. Obviously, that is a must. You should work hard, but not everyone has the same circumstances. For example, many people have their own unfair advantages, and they can be, for example, where they were born, the situation with their parents, the financial situation of their family, if their family was good to them, if they were supportive, if they were not, if they had to fend for themselves. Everything makes or gives you an unfair advantage compared to someone else. Maybe you are really quick and you can understand mathematical equations faster than other people. You have that unfair advantage compared to other people. And some people are really good at drawings, so they have that unfair advantage. Comparing yourself with others will not make things better. For sure, striving for the best is a great thing, but always comparing yourself, thinking I should have achieved this thing or that thing by this age, by this time, is not very healthy. Try to improve yourself, but do not try to just set a standard. Okay, I should have this much amount of money when I'm 25 years old, when I'm 30 years old, if I should be married, if I should have kids. Yeah, it's okay to have goals, but do not compare your goals with other people, and it's only going to make you unhappy. So try to forgive yourself if you haven't achieved your goals. At the end of the day, if you have tried your best and if you haven't achieved your goal, it's okay to a certain limit. Obviously, you have to strive again, have to work harder, or maybe change your tactic. If you try to do something in one way, try to do it with something else, try to follow another path. The best thing that you can do is try to find mentors. If you find a mentor that has achieved something or is striving to achieve the same thing that you are trying to achieve, both of your paths are converging or are the same, or at least heading in the same direction for a small segment, then find those mentors and learn from them and try to be a mentor yourself. If you know something, if you have learned something, if you can teach something to someone else, try to teach other people. You will only get better if you teach others. I'll give my own example. I'm not a financial expert, I'm not a tax consultant. I try to find a solution for different kinds of problems that I think would be helpful for other people if I'm not doing that from my own life experience. I've had different experiences. I've lived here in Germany for more than 6 years now, and I've had different situations where I wished I found an answer and I tried to find an answer, but it wasn't to my liking or it wasn't easy enough. So I tried to make videos on those topics, and mostly I try to share my own experiences. Many of the people watching these videos are more learned, more experienced in stock trading, crypto trading, but sometimes it's better to just analyze and look at someone else's perspective. If I don't have something based on my own experience, then I try to search it and try to find as many authentic resources I can, and I generally make a video on that. So try to be helpful for others, and as I said, try to teach, because if you teach others, you will definitely get better at that thing. I wanted to share the winner for the Amazon gift card. So instead of just posting a 10 or 20 seconds video or just posting it in the comment section, I just wanted to make a smaller video and then attach this Amazon gift card, a winner, with this video. So I'm going to use this website that helps us pick a winner from the comment section. So best of luck to whoever wins this, and let's select a winner. So I'm going to use this comment picker website to randomly pick one of the winners from my video. So let me just firstly copy the video link. I'll put it here. So let's see, we'll filter duplicate users. I don't think we should include replies to comments, because probably I'll win that. I've replied to every single comment in that video. I don't think I have any blacklisted users, and competition was only just for comments, so I cannot add extra entries. The amount of unique comments is 47. Let's just click on start the raffle and pick a random winner. So let's see who's the winner, and the winner is Rana Hassan, and his comment was fix before buy. Hassan, congratulations. I'll write a response to your comment and let you know how you can contact me to get this Amazon gift card. Let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you want me to make in the near future. I've tried to cover a lot of tax related topics, but I think that's enough for this time frame. I'll be making more investing oriented content in the near future. But if you have a specific topic in mind, or if you have a specific question that you want me to answer, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to firstly answer it with my own experience. If I haven't had that experience, I'll try to do as much research as I can, and I'll make a video on that as soon as possible. If you're trying to diversify your income, I have a video here where I talk about 9 different methods that you can use to increase your income in Germany. So thanks for watching, bleib gesund, and I'll see you in this video.